Idearcade is a unique service in whispering to your ear an idea. Idearcade Step 1. Conception. The spark or flash of intellectual wisdom is a result of brainstorming drill and a perfect blend of experience and imagination let loose. Idearcade Step 2. Incubation. This is the brewing up stage, which involves rational testing and surveys conducted for devising a foolproof model with revenue scheme and financial projection. Tender hatching skills prepare our clients with the ideal warmth before launch. Idearcade Step 3. Flight. This is the applied stage where the clients are geared up for the final takeoff, which engages brand development and market exploration machinery. Idearcade is an enterprise for business integration of creative and technology solutions backed by brainstorming sessions and layered reasoning, till we are convinced that these ideas spur in our clients a dream worth pursuing, while we are always there to provide the pinch of reality.